Welcome everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to remove date and time in Windows 11. Let me show you that this is Windows 11. Alright, there are two ways to remove time and date in Windows 11 taskbar, but the second method is shorter. Let me start with the first. Just right click anywhere on the taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and it will bring you to this page. So scroll down and there you have related settings and then date and time. So click on it and it will bring you to this page. So here where you see show time and date in the system tray, you toggle that button off. Now you can see the dates and time have been disabled in this Windows 11 laptop. So if I minimize, it is still disabled. Now, if you want to enable the time and date again in your Windows 11 laptop, you toggle that button on again. Now, let me show you the shorter way to disable time and date in Windows 11. Just press these two buttons, the Windows key and the I key, and it will bring you to this page. Now you can immediately see date and time. So click on it and it will bring you to this page. So this is how you can disable time and date in Windows 11. So I encourage you guys to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.